My name is Leon. I'm from a Spanish college. His name is Xabec, and we are here in Kenya doing street lights with solar panels. Working here, I'm learning about different methods that we use in Spain. For example, welding method that I never used.
We have been working here for a week and a half, and we have done mainly two projects, installing solar panels. This is one of the projects. The other one has been giving some lessons about PLC. They are really useful because we have gave the course to the teachers, and so it will be used for the students. The knowledge will be spread along the year in the different courses here they have.
With one content, we have two entries, and one output. The output is the motor of the conveyor.
Knowing the ECT college, knowing and being in contact with the teachers, knowing the way they do the things, is good for us as teachers because you learn many things about other people in a so far country. You can see that the problems are many times are very similar, and the way to solve them could be different. And of course, it's a chance for you to know of those situations.